Hello everyone, thank you for joining our YouTube channel today. We're going to talk about a product that is used to deactivate drugs. But first I want to talk to you about why it's necessary to use it in the first place. Although there are many reasons you might want to use this product, it could be primarily for the sake of helping out our environment, but from a drug and alcohol standpoint, it's used to reduce access. Reducing access is one of the many ways that we prevent drug and alcohol with our youth. While we don't always know why our young people are using drugs or why they start to use drugs, we definitely don't want to make it easy for them. Which brings me to the Deterra bag. And so by using the Deterra bag, we are reducing access and making it harder for whatever spontaneous decision that they might make at that moment to say, hey, I want to go and grab some pills out of the cabinet or out of grandma's purse or whatever that is. And so we don't want to make that easy for them. There are many other name brands. This is just the one that I have, but they all do the same thing, and that's to deactivate the drugs so that they can be safely thrown away. Many reasons, like I said, for them to start taking prescription drugs. It could be peer pressure, could be stress, could be that they're bored, we're in isolation, but the consequences could be deadly. And so if you're in a home that has prescription medicines, especially ones that opioids such as Vicodin, codeine, oxycodone, and so on, you definitely want to use something like this to safely throw any unused product away. And also, if you are still using them, keep them out of the hands of the young people, the teens, or anyone who has a substance dependency that might be in your home or visit your home. And so you can do this by using a lockbox, a safe, but be sure that you don't want to just throw them away or toss them down the toilet. You want to safely dispose of them. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the deactivation bag and how to get one for free. So I don't have any unused medicines today, but we can still walk through the steps. So first you want to take the bag and you want to open it. And for this size, this is the medium sized bag. And there are other ones that they go up to 1 gallon. And so of course you can use many pills or liquids. But this is the medium bag, and it goes up to 45 pills, 6 ounces of liquid or cream, or 6 patches. And so there is, say you don't have that many pills, say you just have a few that you need to throw away, there's a small bag that you can only put 15 pills in, and so that might be something that we can work on. But for this one, 45 pills in there, you open it up, throw your pills in there, your patches, whatever it is you want to put in here to deactivate that medicine. And you want a cup of warm water. You just pour it in there and you wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, seal it up, shake it, and guess what? Throw it away. It's fine. It's not going to mess up the system, our water system. It's not going to be harmful to our environment, and most of all, it's safe, and we don't have to worry about teenagers or young people coming into the closet or purses, knowing that maybe grandma had an injury last year and she might have some left over. We don't have to worry about that because we've safely thrown it in the trash. And so the way that you could get one of these, I have about, I want to say 75 to 100 here at our office at YUMADAOP. And so using the email that we're going to list below, email me, contact me with your contact information, your address, your name, and just give us a brief description of what you might use it for, and we will send it out. If you live in the Youngstown area, you can come to our office and we'll make a way for you to safely pick it up, contact free. We want to make sure that our kids are safe, our young people are safe, and those who are already dealing with substance disorder or dependency, make sure that these things are out of their reach. And so we can all help. This is just one of the ways that we can help reduce access for drugs and alcohol, and we'll have many more of these short videos to come. Thank you. Isn't that right?